Hi everyone, this is a weekly update 4 from my product Worked Up. So the overview of my business is that it's a productivity-based app that intelligently suggests daily tasks that you feed into the app to match your time, location, and energy level. Let's say you're passing by a supermarket and you had a task to pick up a certain grocery item, so my app will automatically remind you of the same. And the user interface that I'm considering will be based on social media feeds of tasks to be done along with the links and duration of those tasks. And I'm also considering providing an option to integrate these uh, social media platforms, integrate these task cards into regular social media platforms like Instagram and Snapchat. And based on the test this week, I'm also considering using colorful messaging and minimalistic designs to de-stress the user from manually planning the tasks. So the key learning from this week is that the mental anxiety of planning tasks for consumers is kind of the bigger problem or the indirect cause of the unwillingness or the reason to procrastinate of actually doing these tasks. Based on the customer interviews that I conducted this week, my analysis is as follows: that customers that are already in the habit of using some kind of written reminders say that these reminders do not position all the required resources on one place, and they do not alleviate the mental stress of planning the tasks altogether. However, the customers that do not use any kind of reminders currently, they just want someone to integrate all their tasks in one place. So the hypothesis for this week is that the integration of the core concept as a feature of large social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and LinkedIn will boost productivity levels and take off the burden of customers about planning their tasks themselves, and thus help in acquisition of customers. The experiment that I'll be conducting to verify this hypothesis is giving potential customers a brief and colorful collection of cards with the small course that they want to be written on them, that they have to do while standing in queues or while simply waiting for something or someone, which are the situations where potential customers will normally use my app when it is finally released. And we might also offer them a monetary incentive to sign up for the same. So the resultant action of the test conducted last week was that the users who were not able to follow schedules as planned definitely led to breaking their confidence, because people only realized later how they could have better managed their time. So a solution that I'm thinking of is that visual representations of negative consequences by using animated characters and rewarding customers with monetary surprises as prizes for timely or early completion could be a viable solution. Some of the struggles that I faced this week was how do I establish proof of concept to people who are not currently in the habit of using any written reminders, and how do I integrate physical resources into the system without having customers upload